Welcome guys, we're looking at question number 3, your combined science for November 2020 for paper 2. Saka, it reads, sulfur dioxide reacts with oxygen to form sulfur trioxide. So the reaction is in this way, and then it forms sulfur trioxide. There's a mistake here, it's supposed to be 3. Then zvanzi izvo state the oxidation state for sulfur in sulfur trioxide. So the oxidation state is 6, and the common question that everyone would have is kuti Taiwan say 6 here, and so we have SO3, that's for sulfur trioxide yedu, and so sulfur trioxide yedu is a molecule in an overall charge yedu is 0. We tine mamwe molecules, let's say for example you have a molecule like let's say you have SO4 2-. So when you have SO4 2-, it means that the overall charge is what of the molecule is 2-. So for this one purpose nachinu, so it means the overall charge will be equal to 0. So now takushla add charges for sulfur and then for oxygen, then you have an overall charge for what of 0. So takuti sulfur yedu iri require its oxidation state plus ma oxygen yedu mangani, there are 3. Saka tebva tati 3 by what ye oxygen yedu inofoundwa mu group number 6, so it has an oxidation state of -2. Saka we have -2, then it will be equal to 0. Then we find innovator S minus 6 will be equal to 0. Yadaro, then our S will be equal to plus 6. So that's why our oxidation state here iri plus 6. And also the other thing that you might also need to take note of is the issue of the heat that is being produced in the array. It's because the reaction in engagement is an exothermic reaction. It will be a reaction in which heat is produced. Then let's go to the next question. Next question would be, state the meaning of the symbol, this one. So this symbol, it means a reversible reaction. So reversible in the sense here, there is a forward reaction as well as what? A backward reaction. So a forward reaction will be going forward, and then there will be a backward reaction going backwards. So the symbol here, rather than being written as 2 arrows going kumberi nekumashure, it is written in the manner yekuti panisaka half arrow tikachenda umberi, then the other half ichenda kumashure. So that's a sign show what the reversible what reaction. Then we go to number C. Write the equation to show the formation of oleum. So oleum is formed when we dissolve sulfur trioxide in sulfuric acid, or we just react sulfur trioxide with what? Sulfuric acid, we get oleum. So what happens, normally oleum on the disulfuric acid. So oleum is also called what? Disulfuric acid. So that also kanganwe. Then takuchiti is sulfur trioxide yedu SO3, then SO3 yedu plus sulfuric acid yedu, it's what? H2SO4. So then it give a disulfuric acid or the oleum yedu tinenge takuchiti we have H2, and then we have S2, and then we have O7. So this will be our disulfuric acid, which will be the oleum. Then the last question is, state any 2 industrial uses for sulfuric acid. So sulfuric acid is used in the industry heavily. It is also called, if you research, it is also known as the major chemical in industries. Then it is used for agricultural chemicals, fertilizers, explosive. It is also used as a solvent. It is used for coloring agents. It is used in the manufacturing of steel. It is also used in automobile batteries, etc. So any of the 2 of those would award you the 2 marks.